The Three Questions. Chapter number 1. Book Honeycomb. Mind map. Word meaning. Kingdom. A country, state, or territory. Messenger. A person who carries a message. Pleasure. A feeling of happy satisfaction and enjoyment. Council. A group of people chosen to give advice or to make rules. Hermit. A person who lives alone and leads a simple life. Wisdom. The quality of having experience, knowledge, and good judgment. Spade. A tool with rectangular metal, blade, and a long handle used for digging. Revenge. Take harmful action against someone for any injury or wrong done to oneself. Property. A thing or thing belong to someone. Predict. Sadness for somebody who is in trouble. Particular. Special. Comprehension. Why did the king want to know the answer to the three questions? Answer. The king wanted to know the answer of the three questions because he would never fail if he knew the answer. Question number 2. Messenger went Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom for to announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. Comprehension 2. Complete the following sentences. Many wise men answered the king's question, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. 2. Someone suggested that the king should have a timetable and follow it strictly. Someone else suggested that there should be a council of wise men to help the king act the right time. 4. King requested the hermit to answer three questions. 5. The king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound because bleeding would not stop. Question and answers. Why was the king advised to go to magicians? Answer. Some of the wise men thought that in order to decide right time for doing something, one must look into the future and only magicians were able to do that. So they advised the king to go to the magician. Question number 2. In answer to the second question, whose advice whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? Answer. In answer to the second question, some people suggested to seek advice counselors, the priest or doctor or the soldiers. Question number 3. What suggestions were made in answer to the third question? Answer. For the third question, some people said science was the most important business, while there were others who believed religious worship should take the first place. Question number 4. Did the wise win the reward? If not, why? No, the wise men did not win the reward because their answers were so different from each other and the king was not satisfied with their answers. Question number 5. How did and how did the hermit help the wounded man? Answer: the king washed and covered the wound and kept on dressing it until the bleeding stopped completely. The king also offered the wounded man water to drink. The hermit helped the king to bring the wounded man inside his hut and allowed the man to spend his night in the hut. Question number 6. Who was the beard man? Answer: the beard man was an enemy of the king. He wanted to take revenge of his brother's death by killing the king and taking away all his property. Why did the ask for king's forgiveness? The beard man asked for king's forgiveness because he wanted to kill the king, but the king saved his life. He was grateful to the king. Now, question number 7. The king forgave the beard man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? The king showed his forgiveness by promising the man that he will that he will send his doctors and servant to look after him, and also promised to return all his properties. Question number 8. What were the hermit's answer to the three questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you think the most and why? Answer. Hermit's answer was number 1. The important time, the hermit said, is our present because it is the only moment when we have the power to act. Point 2. The most important person at the moment your is with yourself because the future is unknown and we don't know whether he will meet anyone in the future or not. Point 3. The most important business is to be kind and good to others because we have been sent in this world to serve this noble cause. I like the third answer the most because helping someone in need is like serving God. It makes us a good person and brings a sense of satisfaction and concernment. Working with the language. Match the items in list. Match column A with B. Wounded, severely injured. Awoke, got up from sleep. Forgive, pardon. Faithful, loyal. Pity, feel sorry for. Beds, small patches of ground on plant. Return, give back. Fill in the blanks with appropriate form of word given in the bracket. The judge said that only fresh evidence would make him change his judgment. 2. I didn't notice any serious difference of opinion among the debaters, although they different they are different from one another over small points. It's fairly simple question to answer, but will you accept my answer as final? It isn't necessary that necessity should always be the mother of invention. Point 3. Hermits are wise men who how they acquire their wisdom no one can tell. 6. Committee has decided to make Jagdish captain of the team. The decision is likely to please everyone. Asking for forgiveness is as noble as willingness to forgive.